Everybody, it's Rich and Katie down on the river, and Kathy with Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. What we're going to do for you today is a copycat of the Texas Roadhouse Steak seasoning. If you're ever familiar with it, you should check it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this rub mixed up for you, and we're going to get on some nice ribeyes we got from Walmart. So stick around, and we'll mix it up. All right, we're back. We got our Weber fired up. And look at these steaks. That Texas Roadhouse seasoning is just putting a sweat on them, and man, does it smell good. We're going to use our little meat hook here that Micheal Pitre from Heaven Made Products sent us in the mail. Never had one of these, so we're going to go ahead. We're not going to reverse sear these. We're going to go ahead and just put these straight on. We're going to sear them up just like Texas Roadhouse cooks them. There you go. We're shooting for a medium rare on these. So we'll go ahead and char these things up, and we'll get back to you when we turn them. All right, folks, it's been a minute and a half. We're going to go ahead and just turn these things ever so slightly to get it to release. Turn that to 45 just like that. Have in there. And we're going to go ahead and turn this one. Same thing. Oops. There you go. So we'll go a minute and a half on this side. Alright guys, it's been another minute and a half and these things are looking great. I'm going to go ahead and just put her down on that side. Oh, we got a little fire. Our fire jumped up on us. It's alright though. That's alright. Try to get them grill marks. I'll tell you what, that's a nice little crust. I'll take my steak a little crusty. But we're trying to hit this on a medium rare. So we'll leave this for a minute and a half. Alright guys, it's been a minute and a half. And we're just going to turn these. 45. Well, we're going to have some good grill marks on the other side. We'll see. So, there we are. It's the last minute and a half before we temp them. We'll see when we temp them up. It's been a little less than a minute and a half. We're going to go ahead and move these things in direct. Not too bad. Not too shabby. They're juicy. So, might not be like Texas Roadhouse can fix them, but they're going to taste just like Texas Roadhouse, hopefully. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and temp these things up. We're going to be using our ThermaWorks Thermopop. Let's go ahead and get down in here. You should be able to see me. 145. 156. Well, they're done. They're probably never cooked, but I'm in the medium rare mood, medium well or whatever. So, all right. So we'll catch you on the rested. Well, actually, we're going to rest them for about 20 minutes, and then we'll get them on the cutting board. All right, guys, we got these ribeyes on our plate, and we're gonna leave these things covered for 20 minutes before we cut into them. We'll see you on the cutting board. All right, everybody, we're back. This steak has rested for 20 minutes, and what we're gonna use for you today is our Godmorn 8-inch chef's knife. This is my first run with it. This thing is nice, real nicely weighted. So we're gonna go ahead and dig into this steak and see what we got here. Let's go ahead and get in it. The knife is really sharp. Really sharp. There we go. That's what we're looking for right there. Right there. I know the thermometer read it a little higher, but that's what we're looking for. So we're gonna get this sliced up and come back to you with a taste test. I'll tell you what, steak is smelling phenomenal. If you've never been to a Texas Roadhouse, it's very Texas set up. It's got, you put peanut shells on the floor, stomp them in. It's very laid back, country, Texas style, very awesome. I don't know, I think they're supposed to be like across the United States, but if you've never been to a Texas Roadhouse, by all means, go to a Texas Roadhouse. This is their Copycat steak seasoning for they put on their steaks, and I've always wanted to give her a try. Let's go ahead and we're going to get a piece of this steak in. The steak is so tender. That is great. That is phenomenal. So let's go ahead and we're going to get in here. I love ribeyes. They're so juicy. Wow. That tastes just like a steak from Texas Roadhouse. Imagine that. Wow, that's spot on. Guys, I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Hit show more. Again, this is our Copycat Texas Roadhouse steak seasoning. You can put it on vegetables. You can put it on pork chops. Anything. It's very good. Again, I'll leave the ingredients and the recipe in the description box. Hit show more. If you like this, hit thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. All my links for social media and my affiliate links will be in the description box. Hit show more again. So share with your friends and family in the world. And when you do, tell them the best steaks come from the river. We'll see you on the next one.